Hey everyone, welcome to today's lesson on solutions. Isn't it amazing that something as basic as the air we breathe is a solution? We often think of solutions as liquids, but they can be gases or even solids too. In this video, we are going to break down everything you need to know about solutions for your NEET exam. Let's get started. First, what exactly is a solution? Well, it's a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now, why is this important for NEET? Solutions are fundamental to understanding many chemical reactions and biological processes. You'll definitely see questions on this. Let's dive into the first subtopic, types of solutions. We can classify solutions based on the physical state of the solute and solvent. This gives us 9 different types of solutions. For example, a gas dissolved in a liquid, like oxygen in water, is one type. Another type is a solid dissolved in a liquid, like sugar in water. That's what we usually think of. Make sure you know these different types. Now, let's talk about concentration. What does that mean? Concentration is the amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. It's basically how much stuff is dissolved. We can express concentration in different ways, like molarity or molality. It's important to understand these terms, so let's define one, molarity. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. It tells us how many solute particles are present in a given volume. Remember, the units are moles per liter. Next up, solubility. How much solute can actually dissolve? Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a specific amount of solvent at a given temperature. Temperature plays a huge role here. For most solids, solubility increases with temperature. Think about sugar dissolving in hot tea versus cold tea. Let's learn the key formula for solubility, Henry's law. Henry's law states that the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas above the liquid. Mathematically, it's P equals K underscore H asterisk X, where P is the partial pressure of the gas, KH is Henry's law constant, and X is the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. This law is super important for understanding gas solubility. Now, let's talk about colligative properties. These are properties of solutions that depend on the number of solute particles, not their identity. There are 4 main colligative properties: relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, and osmotic pressure. Remember, it's the number of particles that matters, not what they are. Here is the formula for osmotic pressure. Pi equals ImRT. Pi is the osmotic pressure, I is the Van Hoff factor, M is the molarity, R is the ideal gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. This formula will help you solve many problems. A common mistake students make is forgetting to convert temperature to Kelvin. Always use Kelvin in these calculations. It's a small detail that can cost you marks. Let's look at a solved example. Q. 2 grams of benzoic acid is dissolved in 25 grams of benzene. The depression in freezing point is 1.62 K. Calculate the molar mass of benzoic acid. K underscore F for benzene is 4.9 K kg per mole. Step 1. Use the formula delta T underscore F equals K underscore F asterisk M, where M is molality. Step 2. Rearrange to find M equals delta T underscore F, K underscore F equals 1.62 divided by 4.9 equals 0.33 moles per kilogram. Step 3. Molality equals moles of solute per kilogram of solvent, so moles of solute equals 0.33 times 0.025 kilograms equals 0.00825 moles. Step 4. Molar mass equals mass of solute, moles of solute, equals 2 grams, 0.00825 moles equals 242.42 grams per mole. So, the molar mass of benzoic acid is approximately 242.42 grams per mole. Let's consider a real-world application, reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is used in water purification to remove salts and other impurities from water. Pressure is applied to force water through a semi-permeable membrane, leaving the impurities behind. This is how you get clean drinking water. Here are some exam tips for you. First, always pay attention to units. Second, understand the concepts behind the formulas, don't just memorize them. Third, practice, practice, practice. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. We covered the types of solutions and concentration terms. We discussed solubility and Henry's law. And we explored colligative properties and their applications. All of this, AI notes, doubt solving, practice tests for solutions, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start learning for free today at synapse.omups.in. Master solutions for NEET. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.